Model, 2016 Renault Master Business LM35 DCI 135 Energy. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 136524. MOT, the 12th of December 2024. Engine, 2298 CCM 90 Energy 135 E5D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine spins over faster than normal, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,675 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.